Hello everybody, this is Surendra Sharma. Today we are going to see 5 different ways to set the alt text for your image into the Sitecore. So you know that alt text is or alternate text is a crucial part of website accessibility and SEO as it provides a description of the content of an image to the people with visual impairments. Sitecore provide various ways to set alt text for images from manual to automatic using AI. So here today we are going to see the different ways to set alt text for image in Sitecore, including manual, via C# code, via PowerShell, using some configuration setting. So as a manual, yeah, the most basic and straightforward way is to set alt text for images in Sitecore is to do it manually. You can do by uploading the images to the media library and setting the alt text manually in the alt field of the image. When you click on the image, you will see editing option on the right hand side of the screen. In the alt field, you can add a description of the image which will read by screen readers. You can use the some AI mechanism as well. So within this approach, you can use, for example, Azure Cognitive Services Computer Vision API to generate a description of an image and set it as the alt text of the corresponding images item in the Sitecore. So you have to do some programmings as well. So inside it, first you have to register it into the Azure Cognitive Services, for example, computer vision. Then you have to fetch the NuGet packages, and then you can create the instances of the computer vision client classes with your subscription key and endpoint, and then you can call the analyze image methods that it provide to get the description of an image here. Okay. Now the next way is via the C# code. So if you want to set alt text for images programmatically, you can do it so by using the C# code. You can use Sitecore API to set the alt text for an image. For example, here is the code samples. For example, you can get the image as a media item as a reference here, and once you get it, then you can start the begin editing for this. You can set your alt field, and then you can do the and the editing here. So this is the another way to set it programmatically here. Okay. Then next way is via the PowerShell. So Sitecore PowerShell is a powerful tool that allows you to automate a task in Sitecore. You can use this PowerShell features to set alt text for an images in bulk. So for example, here is a example script that sets the alt text for the images in a folder. So I have this folder image. Okay, I have this folder. Inside it, I am getting all the child items of the particular image where the alt is null or it's a blank, and then I am setting it the alt field for all those uh, images uh, by using its item name. So it will set it here, and then we will do the and the editing here. Then all this way, yeah, these are little bit you have to do some programming or you have to do some extra effort, but within the Sitecore there is one good configuration setting which is the most easiest way. So Sitecore also provide an automatic way to set alt text for images using a configuration setting called media dot autoset alt. Okay. Media dot autoset alt. So for this setting, when you are enabling this setting, so Sitecore will automatically set the alt text for an image using its file name. So for this, you have to open your sitecore.config that is generally available in app config include folder, and then you can search for the media.autoset alt setting in the file. And once you set its value true, then yeah, Sitecore will do all the tagging, not tagging, but it will set the alt tags automatically for you. So for example, if you go to your uh, if you go to the sitecore.config file, so this is my sitecore.config file, and you can see here this setting media.autoset alt where value is true. So if you are setting it this value true, and then if you go to your Sitecore, So this is my Sitecore and I'm in my media library. So for example, I have this 2023 images and I can go there and I can upload some image here. For example, this one. And if I set it, if I upload it, so you see here alt field is automatically set here by using the item name. So all this is possible through that single configuration setting. So you have these options, and I think that you should keep this option true when you are going to set the any new environment, for example staging or production environment. So it will automatically do the tagging for all the uploaded images. So conclusion here is that setting alt text for images is essential for website accessibility and SEO. So Sitecore provides various ways to set this alt text for images. So we saw the manual, we saw the automated way using the AI. Each method has its own advantage and disadvantage, and you should choose the method that best fits your needs. So manual and C# code methods are suitable for setting alt text for individual images, while Sitecore with AI solution provides an advanced way to set alt text by analyzing the image. You can use the PowerShell as well, for which is suitable for bulk operation. And my recommendation is that you should use media.alt set auto set alt settings, which is suitable for setting alt text automatically based on the file name. So by using these methods, you can ensure that all the images on your website have appropriate alt text and are accessible to everyone. So thank you.